Hello and welcome to 3 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. You are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower in the beginning of the week as investors looked ahead to macroeconomic data to be released later in the week. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 2% at 36,870 points. In an interesting news, the largest cryptocurrency exchange Binance and the US Securities and Exchange Commission have reached an agreement to ensure that US customer assets stay in the country rather than having its assets frozen, reports highlighted. Going forward, investors await fresh guidance on monetary policy in the coming months from US Fed Chair Jerome Powell's testimony in the House of Financial Services Committee. Moreover, the Bank of England will announce its interest rate decision later in the week as market participants expect rate hike by another 25 bps to curb inflation. It seems the recent drop in prices of cryptos and the anticipated rate hike paused by the Federal Reserve showed up investor sentiment towards risky assets. Meanwhile, the US dollar remains weak after a hawkish pause by the US Fed, with the US dollar index sliding below 102.50. Meanwhile, Binance, the leading crypto exchange, has recently launched a dollar cost averaging feature on its spot platform. The new functionality aims to lessen the impact of market volatility amid the current turmoil. Despite remaining relatively still in the past few days, Bitcoin's dominance has jumped to over 48% for the first time in over 2 years. On the contrary, XRP price has witnessed a remarkable surge of over 200% in value against Bitcoin. As a result, the overall market sentiment seems to be bullish as Ripple lawsuit judgment nears. Inscriptions, a brand new protocol that enables users to create and distribute digital things on the Ethereum blockchain, has drawn a lot of interest from the Ethereum community. Inscriptions allows users to encrypt non-financial data, similar to how the Ordinals project on Bitcoin network functions. A zero-knowledge rollup developed by Meta Labs called ZK Sync Era, which aims at scaling Ethereum, continues to attract capital at a brisk pace. Now, according to data from L2Beat, total value logged on ZK Sync Era soared above $500 million, marking a 12% increase in just 1 week. US stocks slipped as Wall Street closed out a huge week in which investors received a pause on rate hikes from the Federal Reserve, plus encouraging inflation data. The S&P 500 ticked down 0.37%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 108.94 points, while the Nasdaq Composite lost 0.68%. Bitcoin was trading at $26,400, down by 0.3%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.4%, trading at $1,724. According to data from CryptoQuant, staking inflows declined from 31,616 ETH to 25,184. However, the inflows remained below the recent trends and the all-important 100,000 ETH threshold limit, analysts said. On my left, BNB was down by 2% to trade at $242.6. Next on the list, we have Solana Sol. It was down 1% and was trading at $15.5. Cardano's ADA token was down by 2.9% to trade at $0.25. Talking about Avalanche AVAX, it was trading at $11.3, lower by 1.7%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2% to trade at $0.59. Next on the list is Doge, the popular meme coin. It was trading down by 0.5% at $0.061. And Polkadot was down by 3% to trade at $4.5. However, here Shiba Inu was trading up by 0.8% and Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.48, up by 0.1%. So in recent news, XRP has been leveraged as a gas token on the Root network, a new EVM-compatible blockchain created using Substrate and has been integrated with XRP Ledger, reports highlighted. Well, as we know that the recent macroeconomic data has come in better than expected, to understand more about the same, let us move on to our expert, Mr. Devi Prasad Chaudhary, to understand the impact of monetary policy on the virtual currencies going forward.
This is a very interesting phenomena. Happens happens around us all the time. Okay, rate hikes, rate decline. The simple understanding, okay, for the common man is what happens when rate hike happens. When rate hike happens, your lending rate goes up. That means the supply of money into the system gets tighter. Okay, if the rate goes down, the supply of money becomes easier. You get better rate, or the cost of capital for loans are better, so you get more money supply into the system. More money means what? People have more money in their hands, so they can go and buy into the markets. And if the money is tighter, then definitely people will try to withdraw money from the markets. Now that market could be crypto market, right? So it's very simple. You tighten the rate, you will see some suck out of money happening from the market. It could be any market, capital market, crypto market, everything. Why I'm addressing both capital market and crypto market simultaneously or in parallel? Because it has never been proved that capital market goes up and crypto market goes down. It's very rare. Okay, the money supply, moment it increases into the institutional hands or normal or the common man, the market is going to go up. Okay, so that's how it is. If the rate hikes are happening, then probably you will see some sort of capitalism being played in the market, across market.
Thank you so much, Mr. Devi Prasad, for your views on the overall cryptocurrency market. That's all in Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3horsetv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.0 TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain.
Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs.
Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
Decentraland, the popular browser-based 3D virtual world on-chain platform, has teamed up with Polygon Labs, the startup behind an Ethereum scaling solution network, to stage their annual non-fungible token music festival in the Metaverse. Polygon Labs, a digital asset incubation studio, revealed ready intentions to conduct its annual music event this Saturday in a June 16 web publication. This week, Polygon Labs has joined with Decentraland to present the NFT music event in the Metaverse. The highly anticipated music festival will bring together more than 15 Metaverse music producers and musicians, connecting them with more than 5 million Metaverse users worldwide. Improbable, a SoftBank-backed business that creates massive virtual worlds, announced plans on Friday for a network of metaverses that it thinks would one day be capable of housing thousands of people and compete with platforms from US tech titans such as Meta and Microsoft. The British firm, launched in 2012, published a white paper outlining its concept for M Squared, a network of interoperable Web3 metaverses or 3D environments where people may live, work, and connect digitally. Last year, M Squared, a separate commercial company from Improbable, raised $150 million from investors. According to Improbable, technical partners for the launch will include Google, Nvidia, and Japanese cloud gaming firm Ubitus, which will provide cloud infrastructure, cloud pixel streaming, and video and audio technologies to enable unique, highly qualitative, easily accessible, and seamless experiences in the metaverse. M Squared is a complex technical engineering feat with high computing needs. The service is designed to be accessed through cloud streaming, which means you won't have to download any software to enter one of its worlds, similar to how Netflix accesses movies and TV episodes.